So over here, you can see that I have this form editor opened up right here. And if I were to go ahead and click on the submit button, what will happen right now is it'll simply go to the thank you page. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and redirect it to another page after submission, that is to a custom URL after submission as well. So to do that, you can go around over here onto settings, and then what you can do is you can go to the thank you page option right here. So right now it says show a thank you page after submission, which is what I have right now. But if I want to redirect it to an external link, I can go ahead and click on this. And you can enter out a URL. For example, I have wikipedia.org right here. But if you have a URL that accepts out post, that is the data from the form, you can go ahead and enable this as well. But in my case, it is not. It's just a simple page that will be redirected to. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. So once this is done, once you enter out the URL, in my case, it's wikipedia.org, I'm going to go ahead and open out this form, let's say for example, and I'm going to go ahead and enter out the data, click on submit. Once you do that, you can see that it actually goes ahead onto Wikipedia as you click on submit. So that is how you can go ahead and redirect to custom URL after submission inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.